This is the Realme A1, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set up and use the parental controls function on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings, then enter the Google category. Over here, the first step to make is to make sure that no accounts are currently linked or associated with the smartphone. So if you have any, as I do, tap over here, then go for the manage accounts on this device option. Open the account page and choose the remove account option. Once all the accounts are unlinked, you can tap on the parental control function over here. Then click on the get started button, choose child or teen option, next. Now we'll have to wait for a little bit. In here, tap on add or create account for a child, and if you have one, just log into it. If not, sign up for the child's account. In my case, I do have the account prepared, so I'll simply sign in. It is also worth mentioning that the child has to not know the password to this account, since if she or he does, they will be easily able to bypass the parental controls. So let me quickly enter the credentials off the screen. So now you get the following page, the greeting page. So tap on I agree button. Then you will be able, here click on accept. Then choose the account that we have just logged into from the list. After that, you have to also enter the credentials for the parent's account or the Google account that will be used for supervising the child, which I will also do off the screen quickly. Alright. In here you can read some information on how the parental controls feature work and what you as a parent will be able to do and supervise exactly. Then scroll the page all the way down. Do not be scared. You will not have as many devices as I do. Actually, you should not have any to begin with. Next, in order to confirm the account link and procedure, enter the password to the child's Google account once again. Then you have to get this little allow supervision dialog window. In here, tap on an allow option. Wait until child and parent accounts will be linked together. Click on next. In here you can manage some of the apps, turn them on or off if you want to. You can simply skip this step and do this later on, so whatever. So click on next button. The same pretty much applies to filters and content restrictions. In here, if the device that is written in bold font over here is the one that you will use for supervising the child, you can just tap on this blue button and the needed family link application will be automatically installed on it. If it is not true, as it is in my case, just tap on a skip option, skip, finalize the installation, and we will manually get the above mentioned app. So here you can see that the parental controls are active. So I'll take the smartphone that I plan to use for supervising. Let me just crank up the brightness a little more on it. So open the Play Store, connect your phone to the Wi-Fi, sign into the Google account if needed, sign into the one that you will use, that you have identified earlier as the parent's account. Now you can download the Family Link application. Here it is. Just tap on the green install button. Now we'll wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively. Yeah, so apparently seems like there are some other things in queue that prevent Family Link from being quickly installed and downloaded. So let me quickly remove those apps from queue. So we will proceed with the Google Family Link. So I'll do exactly that. Now the Play Store bugged out. That might happen as well. Let's see the status of the Google Family Link installation. Already it have finally been started. So now we'll actually wait for it to get downloaded and installed this time. Now you can just launch the Google Family Link. Wait until it gets loaded. Over here, make sure to log into with the parent's account that you have pointed out earlier while setting up the parental controls on the child's end. And in here, you'll be able to, well, here is our Redmi A1 app, our device, excuse me. Here you can set some data limits for the smartphone, downtime, so the time frames between in which it will be inactive and inaccessible. Configure the app limits for app usage, and monitor the app activity of child as well. Apply content restrictions, configure account settings, and manage devices. Alrighty, so that would be it as far as setting up parental controls go on the Redmi A1. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.